Welcome back. Now in this video, we want to point out the vendor menu. And by clicking this vendor tab, what you're going to notice is that the menu is going to change and you're going to see more links available to you. Now, we are going to be going over most of these sections in separate videos. However, we will briefly go through what you'll find in each tab. In the Offers tab, what you'll find are all of the offers that you have created with the products that you have set inside of those offers. And again, we will go over creating your own offer in a separate video. In the Products tab, you will have products that you have created and made available to individuals that will go inside of offers and will be made available to those who are buying. Again, we'll be touching on that in a separate video. Now in the Customers tab, you'll find very helpful information. You'll find a sortable database according to date and time, custom date and time, and then some helpful statistics at a glance. The average value of every customer, the average number of purchases for a particular customer for a specific period of time, the number of new customers versus the number of returning, again, at a specific point in time. And this is very helpful information, so you'll know how many of your customers have been new to you at a specific period of time. And then the number of customers that you'll have on a recurring income plan. Now, if you wanted to download a database of those customers, you'd be able to do that by clicking this link, and you'd be given a CSV file that you'd be able to use in an autoresponder or a third-party system. Again, the Customer Information tab is a very helpful tab to do specific information on purchases that have been made of your products in specific time periods. You also have a Vendor Statistics tab. And once again, as is the case with many of the WarriorPlus menus, you'll be able to look at specific periods of time. What you'll be shown here are specific metrics for specific product offers. If you want to see the individual products and their performance within an offer, you'll need to click this drop-down tab. Now, there are several elements on the side that you want to take note of also. For example, if you want to see overall statistics for a specific offer, you can click this link. If you want to be shown how the affiliates are performing on this specific offer, you can click this link right under the statistics link. And of course, you can sort this information by custom date. Now, there are specific tracking features that we will be discussing in another video that you can access from this tab, your Vendor Statistics tab. And you'll notice that there is a light blue link here that says that if you want dedicated detailed statistics for your own products and offers, you want to look at your own tracking links, you'll need to click this link to go to that page. And we will discuss this in a separate video. There is also a transactions link. Now in this case, you'll be able to search specifically by buyer email, or you'll be able to leave the search parameters out and see all of your transactions that have previously occurred. You can click inside of any of the transactions where you'll see the eye icon, and it will show you the details of each specific transaction. You'll be able to see the transaction ID, the buyer email, as well as all of the details that you'll need in order to research the transaction. There's also an Affiliates tab. The Affiliates tab has several levels of information. First, if you want to know how your affiliates are performing for a specific period of time, you'll see the very top link at the top right. And you can get that information by clicking this link. You want to find out how many affiliates have requested your product that have currently not been approved. You can click the Pending Request link. If you want to take a look at your current affiliates, you'll be able to do that by clicking the tab that says Current Affiliates. Now, just so that you'll know, included in this number are those that may not have been approved for any offer. So this current affiliate number is going to include all of those that have ever applied for your offer. You'll see that there is an Affiliate Sync tab. What this means is that when you have a list of affiliates from a specific product, you can actually copy that entire list of affiliates over to your next product launch. And you can do that by clicking the Sync Now button. You'll also have settings tabs. The settings tab help you to set a level at which you can determine when an affiliate can be auto-approved. You can set the maximum refund rate. You can set a minimum affiliate score as well as a minimum number of sales. Now, if you are working with a partner on launching a product, not an affiliate but a partner, you will find information for those projects inside of your JV Center. In the affiliate contest section, you'll be able to create your own affiliate contests. And again, we'll be looking at that in a separate video. In the coupon section, you'll be able to create coupons for your products, and we'll be looking at that in a separate video, as well as the commission rules that you'll be setting for your individual affiliates. And again, we'll be looking at that in a separate video. So you have an entire menu dedicated to the products that you will be launching in offers to your customers. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.